Hi students, in this video we will discuss exercise 4.2 pair of linear equations in two variables, second exercise. In second exercise all they gave step problems, directly they not gave equations. If equations no means we can solve by using elimination method or substitution method or graphical method. But here they gave step problems. First of all we want to frame equations by using given data. Let us start the exercise. In first question they gave a ratio of incomes of two persons and the ratio of their expenditure also they gave, and each person saves 2000 rupees per month. Then we have to find out their monthly income. See in question ratio of incomes and the ratio of expenditure they gave. Let the income be rupees X. Let the expenditure Y. See, first of all, income X and expenditure Y we assumed. Now, what are the conditions they gave in question? The ratio of incomes is 9:7. Here, income we taken as X. The ratio of incomes they gave 9:7. That means the income of first person is 9x, the income of second person is 7x. Therefore, income of first person is equal to 9x. And the income of second person is equal to 7x. Next they gave a ratio of expenditure is 4:3. That means the expenditure of first person is 4y and the expenditure of second person is 3y, because here expenditure we taken as y. Therefore, expenditure of first person 4y and the expenditure of second person 3y. And one more condition they gave in question, each person saves 2000 rupees per month. By using this data, now we can frame the equations. First of all, they gave a relation between income and expenditure. We don't know what is income and what is expenditure. So we assumed income as X and expenditure as Y. They gave the ratio of incomes 9:7. That means the first part is income of first person, second one is income of second person. Income we taken as X, that's why the first person income is 9x and the second person income is 7x. And they gave ratio of expenditure also 4:3. So expenditure we assumed as Y. Therefore, the expenditure of first person becomes 4y and the expenditure of second person becomes 3y. And one more condition they gave, each person saves 2000 rupees per month. Here, how to find out savings? Total income minus expenditure, then we can get savings. Saving is equal to income minus expenditure. By using this data, now we can frame the equations. For first person, what is the income of first person? 9x. What is the expenditure of first person? 4y. So, income 9x minus 4y. What is his savings? 2000 rupees. That means 9x minus 4y is equal to 2000. Same for second person. What is the income of second person? 7x. What is the expenditure of the second person? 3y. So 7x minus 3y is equal to 2000 rupees. Now we got two equations. Now simplify the equations by elimination method. It is better to choose elimination method. Here equalize any one of the coefficients, either x or y. Here it is better to equalize coefficients of y, because here there is no common factor. So this full equation you should multiply with the coefficient of y, that is 3. And this full equation we should multiply with the coefficient of y, that is 4. Now the first equation becomes multiply each and every term with 3. 3 9s 27x minus 3 4s 12y, 3 2000s 6000, 3 into 2000 6000. Now multiply with 4, 4 7s 28x minus 4 3s 12y, 4 2s 8, 8000. Now observe the coefficients of y. Both are having the same 12 and 12, but both are having same symbols. Now subtract both equations. See, change the symbols. For subtraction, we have to change the symbols. Plus 28 becomes minus 28. Minus 12 becomes plus 12. Plus 8000 becomes minus 8000. Here 27 minus 28, that is minus 1. Minus 1x. 1 no need to mention. Now minus 12y plus 12y get cancelled is equal to 6000 minus 8000. A small number to big number you are subtracting. So answer becomes minus negative. Both sides minus minus get cancelled. We got x is equal to 2000. Next, substitute the x value in any one of the above equations to find y value. Take a second equation, 7x minus 3y is equal to 2000. Now substitute instead of x 2000, 7 into 2000 minus 3y is equal to 2000. 7 2s 14, 14,000 minus 3y is equal to 2000. Now transpose minus 14,000 to RHS, then minus 3y is equal to 2000 minus 14,000 minus 3y is equal to minus 12,000. Y is equal to minus 12,000 by minus 3. Minus minus get cancelled. 3 ones, 3 fours. Y is equal to 4,000. Now we got x and y values. But what they asked, what is their monthly income? Now we have to find out incomes. First person income is 9x. 9 into x value 2000. That is 9 2s 18. 18,000. The first person income is 18,000. Now for the second person. Second person income is 7x. That is 7 into 2000. 7 2s 14. 7 2s 14,000. The first person income is 18,000 and the second person income is 14,000. Next, second one. The sum of a two-digit number and the number obtained by reversing the digits is 66. If the digits of the number differ by 2, find the number. How many such numbers are there? Here they are saying a two-digit number is there. But what is the number they not give? Two-digit number means the places are units and tens. First, let take the digit in ones place as x and tens place as y. Let the digit in units place be x. The digit in tens place. The digit in tens place be y. Why we choose it only units and tens? In question they gave it is a two-digit number. Therefore, number is equal to, how to write number? By using expanded form. Tens place y, that is 10 into y, plus units place 1 into x is x. Now if the digits are interchanged, then what is the number you have to write? The number after interchanging the digits. After interchanging the digits. Interchanging means what? Now in tens place we want to take x. Therefore 10 into x plus in ones place we want to take y. That is 1 into y is y. Now what are the conditions they gave? In first condition they gave sum of the number and the number formed interchanging the digits is 66 is equal to 66. That is 10y plus x plus 10x plus y is equal to 66. X plus 10x, 11x plus 11y is equal to 66. Here common factors are there. 11 ones, 11 ones, 11 6. X plus y is equal to 6. Equation number 1. Next condition they give. The digits differ by 2. We have to subtract both digits. X minus y is equal to 2. Now two equations we got. Next process, just simplify the equations. X plus y is equal to 6 and x minus y is equal to 2. These are the very simple equations. Plus y minus y get cancelled. 2x is equal to 8 and x is equal to 8 by 2. That is 4. If x is 4, x plus y is equal to 6. 4 plus y is equal to 6. Y is equal to 6 minus 4, that is 2. Here x means the digit in units place, y means the digit in tens place. Now we got x is equal to 4 and y is equal to 2. Therefore, number is equal to 10 into 2 plus 4. 20 plus 4, that is 24. And one more number also will come, that is number after interchanging the digits, that is 10x plus y. 10 into 4 plus 2. 40 plus 2, that is 42. How many numbers are possible for this case? As two numbers. One is 24 and other is 42. Next, third problem. The larger of two supplementary angles exceeds the smaller by 18. Find the angles. Here the angles are supplementary angles. Supplementary angles means the sum of two angles is 180 degrees. Here two angles, one is smaller angle and other is a larger angle. Let the larger angle be x degrees and the smaller angle be y. Larger angle x and smaller angle y. In question they gave both the angles are supplementary angles. These angles are supplementary angles. Therefore, sum of two angles is equal to 180 degrees. Next, they gave one condition. The larger angle exceeds the smaller by 18 degrees. Larger angle is equal to exceeds 18 degrees by smaller angle. Exceeds means more. See, they gave condition in question. Larger angle is exceeds 18 degrees by smaller angle. Exceeds means more. Plus 18. Smaller angle is y. Y plus 18. Larger angle x. Here onwards frame the equation. X plus y becomes minus y is equal to 18. Now we got two equations. From first and second equations, x plus y is equal to 180. X minus y is equal to 18. Here also no need to change the symbols. Plus y minus y get cancelled. 2x is equal to 180 plus 18. 198. X is equal to 198 by 2. That is 2 9s 18, 2 9s 99 degrees. Now from first equation x plus y is equal to 180 degrees. That implies x is 99 degrees plus y is equal to 180. Y is equal to 180 minus 99, that is 81 degrees. The larger angle is 99 degrees and the smaller angle is 81 degrees. Next, fourth problem. Here, the taxi charges in Hyderabad are fixed along with the charge for the distance covered. For a distance of 10 kilometers, the charge paid is 220. For a journey of 15 kilometers, the charge paid is 310 rupees. Here, auto charge they gave for 10 kilometers 220 and 15 kilometers 310 rupees. How the charges are fixed here? Up to some distance, fixed charge will be after a fixed distance. For each kilometer, some amount have to pay. What is they gave in fourth question? Auto charges. Here for some distance, fixed charge will be. That is, suppose some distance we have to travel. Up to this distance, they gave some fixed price. After that, for each and every kilometer, you have to pay extra payment. Extra for each and every kilometer. Suppose from starting to 10 kilometers. From starting to 10 kilometers, the auto fare is 5 rupees. Next, each extra kilometer is 2 rupees. Extra charge is 2 rupees. Now you want to travel 20 kilometers. Then how much you want to pay? Now you have to travel 20 kilometers. Then how much charge you can pay? Charge you have to pay is first 10 kilometers. What is the fixed rate? 5 plus after the 10 kilometers. Again, how much distance you covered extra? 10 kilometers. 10 more kilometers. 10 into, for each extra kilometer 2 rupees. 10 into 2. That is 5 plus 10 2s 20. 25 rupees. Now you want to pay for 20 kilometers 25 rupees. Here the concept is, for some particular distance, here either it is 10 kilometers, 6 kilometers, 5 or 2, you have to pay the fixed charge. After 10 kilometers, each kilometer you have to give extra amount. Below 10 kilometers, 9, 8, 6, 2 kilometers also you have to pay the fixed charge 5 rupees. Now, we don't know here what is the fixed price and the extra charge for each kilometer. First of all, let fixed price as x and the extra amount for each kilometer be y. Let the fixed charge be rupees x. The extra charge for each kilometer taken as y. Now in question what they gave? What is the charge he paid for 10 kilometers? 220. Charge paid for 10 kilometers is equal to 220 rupees. See here fixed charge is x plus how much distance he travelled 10 kilometers into what is the extra charge? Y is equal to 220. That is x plus 10y is equal to 220. Equation number 1. Next, charge paid for 15 kilometers 310 rupees. Charge paid for 15 kilometers is equal to 310 rupees. That is a fixed charge plus a distance into extra charge is equal to 310. Now we got two equations. Now solve the equations. X plus 10y is equal to 220. X plus 15y is equal to 310. Subtract. Before subtracting, you have to change the symbols. Plus x minus x get cancelled. 10 minus 15 minus 5y. 310 minus 220 is 90. For bigger number, negative is there. That's why minus 90. Minus minus get cancelled. Y is equal to 90 by 5. 5 ones 5. 5 ones and 5 eights. Y is equal to 18. Now substitute in first equation. X plus 10y is equal to 18. 10 into 18 is equal to 220. X plus 180 is equal to 220. X is equal to 220 minus 180, that is 40 rupees. So therefore fixed charge is 40 rupees and extra charge for each kilometer is 18 rupees. In this question again they asked the second one. What is the charge paid for 25 kilometers? You have to find out. What I told, first 25 kilometers, first of all, the fixed price plus 25 in distance into extra charge. X is 40 rupees plus 25 into 18. 40 plus 450, that is 490 rupees have to pay for 25 kilometers journey. In next question they gave a fraction. Fraction means numerator and denominator will be present. Let us take a numerator as x and denominator as y. Here they gave two conditions. Fraction becomes 4 by 5 if 1 is added to both the numerator and denominator, and 5 is subtracted from both the numerator and denominator, the fraction becomes 1 by 2. What is the fraction? First of all, fraction means a numerator and denominator. What is the numerator and what is the denominator? They are not mentioned. Let a numerator be x and a denominator be y. Therefore, fraction is x by y, numerator by denominator. See, we take a numerator as x and denominator as y. Then we got a fraction x by y. Now the conditions what they gave in question. If 1 is added both the numerator and denominator, the fraction becomes 4 by 5. That is, here what is the numerator? X plus 1 by y plus 1 is equal to 4 by 5. Now cross multiply. 5 into x plus 1 is equal to 4 into y plus 1. Now multiply with 5. 5 into x, 5x plus 5 ones 5. 4 into y, 4y plus 4 ones 4. Now get all terms to LHS. Then we can frame equation. 5x plus 5 plus 4y becomes minus 4y plus 4 becomes minus 4 is equal to 0. 5x minus 4y plus 5 minus 4 is plus 1 is equal to 0. Now we got one equation. Now second condition, if you subtract 5 from both the numerator and denominator, the fraction becomes 1 by 2. That is, what is the numerator x? You have to subtract 5 from numerator by y minus 5 is equal to 1 by 2. Again do cross multiplication. 2 into x minus 5 is equal to 1 into y minus 5. Multiply with 2. 2x minus 2 5s 10 is equal to y minus 5. Now frame the equation. Get all terms to LHS. 2x minus 10 plus y becomes minus y. Minus 5 becomes plus 5 is equal to 0. That is 2x minus y minus 10 plus 5 is minus 5 is equal to 0. Now we got a second equation. Now solve the equations to find the fraction. Now solve the equations. Equalize any one of the coefficient of x or y. Here it is better to equalize the coefficients of y. Here the coefficient of y is 4. If you multiply second equation with 4, then we can get the same coefficients of y. The first equation be like that only, 5x minus 4y plus 1 is equal to 0. Second equation, multiply each and every term with 4. 4 2s 8x minus 4y minus 4 5s 20 is equal to 0. Now change the symbols. Minus 4y plus 4y get cancelled. 5 minus 8x, that is minus 3x plus 1 plus 20 plus 21 is equal to 0. Minus 3x is equal to transpose 21 to RHS, plus 21 becomes minus 21. X is equal to minus 21 by minus 3. Minus minus get cancelled. 3 1s, 3 7s. X we got. Now substitute in first equation. 5x minus 4y plus 1 is equal to 0. 5 into 7 minus 4y plus 1 is equal to 0. 35 minus 4y plus 1 is equal to 0. 36 minus 4y is equal to 0. 4y is equal to 36. Y is equal to 36 by 4. 4 ones, 4 nines. Y is equal to 9. X is 7 and Y is 9. Therefore, fraction is equal to 7 by 9.